Stanford English Language Center.
The basic skills of IELTS, the reading, writing, listening, speaking. So I never seen here in DIE.
The environment of academy is very friendly, and I recommend this academy for those students who are keen interested in learning English.
Speaking section, presentation section, and again I want to say that this is the best academy in DIE Khan.
Grammar here also the facility available for PMS and CSS classes.
Hello everyone, this is Abdul Karim, Director of Stanford English Language Center. So today we have a sort of bodacious message specifically for the denizen of the Khan city and those that are living in the outskirts. So we have an international teaching experience in the domain of English Language Center at British Council, one of the egregious Institute of Modern Languages and Literature. I have been teaching in the domain of English language proficiency since 2015. Here, Stanford English Language Center providing number of programs regarding English language. So we have 3 levels and then we have 6 levels. Our class is comprised on 80 minutes. Within 80 minutes, we have to do 5 activities. Number 1, we have to teach grammar according to formulas. Number 2, we have linguistic structure. We have to teach everything according to formulas. The third activity we have to do here in the class that we have to give advanced vocabulary to the student. Because without vocabulary, those that are desultory students, they cannot speak effectively and they will never ever become voracious English speaker. So that's why if a gun is gun, it is gun because of bullets. Except of bullets, it isn't a gun anymore, it would be considered a heavy rod. So we are doing the best on behalf of ourselves to build up their vocabulary. And the fourth activity, we have a recommended book of grammar, and that is important book. 50% they can improve the critics of grammar and 50% they can improve the functional English from that very book. But we have to do aggregate activities on that very book. And the last, the fifth activity we are supposed to do here in the class, that is practical discussion. Our students, they have to select a topic and we have to talk about that very topic meticulously or in detail.
Today we will talk about the Stanford English.
My name is Speed Farmanullah. I'm residing in foreign country. Stanford Academy is providing quality knowledge regarding linguistic, regarding IELTS, Duolingo, UKVI, and other stuff which is related with the English, basic, modern, and so many and other stuffs. Abdul Karim Saab has been teaching in the British Council's UAE. I have met with him for the last 2 years. He was teaching IELTS, linguistics, basic grammars, and so many other stuff which is related with English to the foreigner students. I practically visited to the institutions in UAE near Clock Tower, British Council's well-labelized institutions of British Council, and he was providing a quality knowledge.
My name is Muzdalfa and I am from Gomal University BCS 4th semester. I'm here for last 2 months. Our teacher Sir Abdul Karim is very hardworking and cooperative with us, and my own English is very improved in 2 months. The environment of academy is very friendly, and I recommend this academy for those students who are keen interested in learning English.
Stanford Academy is a really nice academy. It was the day, I think I was the luckiest day here when I just knocked the door of this academy. When I spent my 3 or 4 days here for a demos, so I really got many things like a grammar section, also speaking section, presentation section, and again I want to say that this is the best academy in DIE Khan.
Me Mohammad Musharraf Wazir from South Uzbekistan Tribal History. I'm the student of Stanford English Center Academy. I have spent 3 weeks here. This academy provide a lot of things to me, and this academy enable me to speak English in front of everyone. This academy provide every type of facility regarding especially grammar. Here also the facility available for PMS and CSS classes.